Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Facebook video using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to give your login details and log into your Facebook. After that, on the screen, you can see your home page. On there, you can see video option, marketplace option, home option, etc. You have to tap on video option and select a video you want to download. The video you wanted to download can have three dot option on the top right corner. Tap on it and select copy link. After you copy the link, you have to go and search Facebook video downloading links, and there you can find few websites where you can paste the link you just copy and download it, or you can just add an extension through Google Chrome Web Store. And guys, that's it. That's how you download a video from Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.